Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Hope you all are in good health. Today I want to talk about my goal. My goal is to become an online entrepreneur. My short-term goal is to make a sales team. My long-term goal is to build up a corporate office. I have a clear vision of my business and I always dream big. What can I do? I plan to start a new product. I hope on my. I hope on my. I hope open on my office with 1 year hours within 1 year. I would like to and I would like to open a physical store in Chittagong. In the future, I want to build up a team of 50 members. My next step is learn about Facebook ads and digital marketing. Thank you. Have a nice day.